Have you ever noticed that as soon as winter starts, your skin suddenly becomes dry, rough, and lifeless? Your lips start cracking and your face begins to look dull. If you want to avoid all these winter skin problems, watch this video carefully because I'm going to share 5 easy home remedies that will nourish your skin from within, hydrate it, and completely heal dryness without chemicals or expensive creams. So let's start with the first remedy, which is a wonderful moisture mask made from milk and honey. Yes, this remedy is made with only 2 ingredients, milk and honey. And this remedy can fix dryness, dullness, and rough skin patches from the root. Milk has natural fats and proteins that deeply nourish the skin. It also contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliator that removes dead skin and brings fresh new cells, giving you a glowing look. And honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps the skin retain moisture. When we mix these 2 ingredients together, they balance each other very beautifully. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, full fat milk with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply on face, hands, elbows, neck, anywhere where your skin is dry. Wash after 15 minutes with lukewarm water, not hot. Apply a light moisturizer or coconut oil afterward. Use this remedy daily in winter. And if your skin remains dry for the rest of the year, then you can use it 2 to 3 times a week all year round if your skin stays dry. Second, coconut oil. Coconut oil is a powerful natural moisturizer. It not only gives your skin softness from outside, but also repairs the skin barrier from the inside. It contains fatty acids like lauric acid, capric acid, and caprylic acid, which form a thin protective layer on the skin that locks in the moisture. Coconut oil also contains vitamin E and antioxidants that repair tiny cracks in the skin and reduce irritation caused by cold winter air, whereas petroleum-based creams like Vaseline remain only on the surface of the skin, whereas coconut oil penetrates deep into the skin and replenishes the lost moisture and makes it soft. How to use it? Always use cold pressed coconut oil on your skin. Take a little bit of this oil, warm it slightly. Before applying, take a shower at night. Towel dry lightly, then apply completely melted oil all over your body immediately. Massage it gently so that it gets absorbed well into your skin and then leave it on overnight. So when you wake up in the morning, your skin will feel soft and fresh. In the morning, just rinse your body with warm water. No soap needed because you have already taken a shower the night before. Friends, while applying coconut oil, always keep one thing in mind that if you have acne prone skin, then avoid using coconut oil on your face. Always apply on clean skin, never over dust or makeup. And that is why I told you to do this remedy at night only after you take a shower. Third remedy, aloe vera plus glycerin mix. This remedy is perfect for people whose skin becomes extremely dry, sensitive, or easily irritated in winter. That is, those who suffer from allergies, etc. Both aloe vera and glycerin pull moisture from the deeper layers of your skin and bring it to the surface, making your skin soft, hydrated, and plump. How to use it? Take a fresh aloe leaf. Remove the green outer skin and scoop out the clear gel. If you're using a store-bought gel, make sure it is 99% pure. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel plus 1 teaspoon of pure glycerin. Apply this paste on your face, neck, hands, elbows, anywhere you feel dryness. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse it with lukewarm water. You can use this remedy every alternate nights for fast and best results because at night The repair process of our skin is active. By using this mixture on alternate days for just 1 week, you will notice that your skin looks softer and well hydrated. Skin tension and itching will reduce, and fine lines will also start reducing. Fourth remedy, avocado and olive oil. Winter skin repair mask. Why it works? Avocado is like food for your skin. It's full of healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that go deep inside the skin and fix dryness from the roots, not just on the surface. Olive oil acts like a protective shield. It locks in the moisture, repairs cracks, and keeps your skin soft for hours. When you mix these two together, you get a super hydrating mask that makes dry skin soft instantly, repairs damaged skin barrier, stops flakiness and rough patches, gives a natural glow, reduces tightness and itching, and makes skin look fresh and healthy. Now, how to make it? Take half avocado that is fully ripe, mash it into a smooth paste, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and mix until it's all creamy. Now, how to use it? Apply it on your face, neck, hands, elbow, anywhere that feels dry. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. No soap needed right away. What you will notice is after just one use, your skin feels soft and bouncy. Dry patches disappear. The mask also reduces tightness caused by dryness and a weak skin barrier by deeply moisturizing the skin and improving its natural elasticity. Your skin will look brighter and nourished. Using it 2 to 3 times a week during winter keeps your skin naturally smooth, hydrated, and glowing. Fifth remedy, banana and honey hydrating glow mask. This remedy is a hydrating glow booster that provides instant moisture and softness. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which help the skin retain water. In fact, bananas also contain natural enzymes that dissolve dead skin cells without causing any irritation, leaving your skin soft and glowing. And I have already talked about the benefits of honey. It is a natural humectant that gives your skin long lasting softness. How to use it? Just take half ripe banana and mash it well first. When the banana becomes a smooth paste, add 1 teaspoon of honey to it and apply this paste on your face, neck, and dry areas. Leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. If you use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, you will see that dryness and flaking disappear. Your skin will look naturally glowing and smooth, and fine lines and tightening or itching that occurs on your face also reduces, and the skin feels hydrated and healthy. So, friends, try at least 1 or 2 of these remedies this winter. I am sure you will see some amazing results. So, take care of yourself and your skin. Keep smiling and keep learning something new every day so you can stay healthy always. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.